Hi, we're going to talk about Kay's fabulous cat's eyes designs now, and I'm just going to show you the die plates. You get a set of 3 die plates, and they're designed to each die plate to cut slightly different eyelets, which actually have fabulous embossed detail, well, debossed detail on them really. We've cut these out with Pink Frog Specialist card. Okay, so these are your 3 die plates that you get here, and they cut out different size eyelets. And the beauty of the eyelets is that they will actually stack on top of each other. You just really need to have a little play with. Okay, right, so that one I've popped on there. Take that off, we'll see what this one does. This one you can put on top and you get a lovely matting and layer effect as well. You could then pop this one on top of there, so you get more dimension.
You do it the other way around, you put it underneath.
Yep, and you can put it under there.
Yeah.
That's a nice one as well.
And then you put silver on top.
If you put the silver on top, you've got different dimensions as well. But these also work with our original ring reinforcer die sets, which are 2 die plates here.
That's it.
2 die plates here. So traditionally, they matted on top of each other like that, okay, which is fine. You can then think, okay, do I want a bit more depth? Do I want a bit more dimension? Now you can start to add your eyelets, your cat's eyes on top. So you can really do whatever you want to do. You've got 2 different sizes with the ring reinforcers, so you could have it like that. You could have it like that, with that one on top. They really just give you a completely different definition to your finished tags, your finished holes for your projects. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make a very simple tag. I've already punched a hole. The reason I've already punched a hole is because I forgot my crocodile for the video. Okay, but I want to make a tag now. So I'm going to use our CoolKatz tag topper tool, which is designed, it has different corner angles, and it's just really to help you make a quick tag. So I'm going to pick this one here. I'm going to line it up to the corner. So I'm going to take a pencil, go across, and then I'm going to turn it straight over. So I'm using the same angle, but a different way. Just cut it that way. And then I'll go across there. And across there. And then I'm going to stick my eyelet. So what I'll probably do is I'll actually put a bit of glue just on here.
Can't see that. So.
That's fine. So there's glue on here. Pop that one on there. And I'll take this lovely rose gold one. And I'll pop that one on top of there. Like that. And then what you can do is you can flip it over. Okay, so we just flip it over, we'll just put a little bit more glue. Flip it over. Turn this over. Pop that on there. Our lovely rose gold one. It looks so effective, doesn't it, Kay?
It does, it really. I must say, the Pink Frog Specialist papers make them look like metal.
Yeah, they do. Actually, we've got another pink one because I've bent that one and it looks like I've got a cut in the metal. Thank you. Okay, and that's your finished tag.
Do you want me to